Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 22, pin your plan. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for vascular business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Apps, scroll to Explore all the applications. Now let's go to Microsoft Planner. Wait for that to load. Click on Computer Science Videos. And now there are many ways to pin this plan to the pinned section. Why would you want to do this? Well, you may have 1,000 plans, and it then becomes difficult to navigate to the plan of your choice, and so you can pin a few of these to the top of the list. So what we can do, if we go to the left hand side navigation menu where we see Computer Science Videos, underneath all we have the three dots to the right, which is more options. Click on this and pin. So this is now pinned to the top. If we unpin, so that's one way to pin. If we go to the top of the Computer Science Videos plan, we have this pin sign next to it. If I were to click on this, it would then automatically pin it to the top. So if we just click on it again, it would unpin. And now the third way to pin your plan to the top right corner, within the middle, more options, click on pin, and now the plan has been pinned to the top. So if I were to now X out of Planner, let's go back into Planner, and your Computer Science Videos plan is now pinned to the top. We also have this dashboard that tells us how many tasks we have left, not started, in progress, late, completed. So that's great. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.